Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Kim Phượng. Today I would like to share you how to open the exactly program line for a custom error. Step by step, let's get started. For example, when I want to create a notification DG with QM01 and after press on information needed and press save, I encounter the error like this. A inspection log on sample plan already exists. With the error like this, how to open Excel program line for the error? Let's go to the next slide. Step 1. Open the error detail screen. To open error detail screen, you should double click on the error and the screen will appear like this. The detail screen will show the message node and also the detailed diagnostic and procedure of the error. Step 2 is open technical information screen. And to open this, you need to press on the icon and the system will show you technical information screen like this. And the technical screen will have two parts. First part is the message data. It includes detailed message number of the error. And part 2, it includes the main program and exactly line where the error is come from. I have a note for you. You need have to developer authorization. Step 3. Open exactly program file. To open it, double click on the line and the system will take you to the line where the error is located. And now you can place breakpoint or you can discover a new version of SAP. You also can check the logic how the error appear. It really will be very interesting if you know a little about programming. So that is all for the set today. I have several videos about SAP issues you can check here. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.